Hi, welcome to AWS Tech Guide session today. I will show you how to set password for your newly created virtual machine in Google Cloud Platform. You may have experienced that when you have created your virtual machine in GCP, you didn't mention any password or username over here. So to set the password for the username, let's open the command prompt for that particular virtual machine in browser window. As you see, I'm connected to that instance. Let's check our home directory, pwd. So we are inside our home directory, AWS Tech Guide. Now change the user to root user, sudo su, change to root user. Now we have to edit sshd config file, and that we will get under etc directory. So first let's browse to ssh directory. We are under ssh directory. Now let's see what is inside ssh directory. As you see, we have sshd config. This is the file we have to edit. So I am opening this file in VI editor, sshd config, and I am updating this permit root login as yes, and change this password authentication to yes. Now save this file. Now you have to restart sshd. So to do that, it is systemctl restart sshd. And it has restarted. Now we will be creating the password for root. So type passwd. It will ask you to add the password. I'm typing the password over here, and password has updated successfully. So now let's try to connect this instance via PuTTY. Let's see what happens. So I'm copying this external IP, opening PuTTY, adding it here, port 22, open, clicking yes, login as root, adding password. As you see, it has logged in. It asked for the password and it has simply logged in. So this is how you set password and configure your sshd configuration. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in our next session. Thank you.